This here is our church. You can see this is normally a field. There's a lot of water. We got 7 inches, right at 7 inches of rain today. But that's not even the wild part. This right here is the wild part. Look at this big old sinkhole. That thing goes deep down in there. It's like a cave. Way down in there. That's about, I don't know, 15 or 20 feet down that I can see. And then I don't know how big sideways. And there's another low spot right here. It's pretty awesome. You can see the water flowing down in there.